water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am water, I am water, I am water everywhere. I am water, water vapor in the air. I am water, water vapor in the air. Good morning, everyone. So, my dear kids, nowadays we are talking about water. In the previous video, we saw the sources of water. So, today we will be talking about uses of water. Water के क्या-क्या uses होते हैं? So, children, water is very important.
What we need water for? Taking a bath, watering plants, cleaning our home, cooking food, washing clothes, to drink. Animals need water to drink and to clean themselves. Plants need
Children, water is very important, as we know. Na? Every morning you need water to brush. Yes or no? Yes. Your teeth. To wash your face. Face को भी धोते हैं, and to take bath. We need water to drink. This is very important, children. We should drink water. We should also need water to wash our hands. We also need to cooking food. मम्मा जब खाना बनाती है तो मम्मा पानी का यूज करती है ना? Yes, washing clothes also and cleaning the house. As you just now saw in that one video which I showed you, children, कि हमारे water किस किस काम आता है. तो children, plants, animals also need water. Means water is very useful. So we should do not waste it. We should not waste it. हमें उसको पानी को जो है वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. So save water. My dear kids, we can swim in the water also. Do you like to swim? Good. Do you know how to swim? Yes, very good. So, my dear kids, let's see an activity. So, kids, you can also do this activity in your home. So, I have 2 glasses of water. You can see, and you can see water has no color and no taste. So, my dear kids, there is no color of this water. So, children, in this class, I'm going to put color. So, if I put green color in it, then it will be of the same color. You can see, children, the color of water is changed. You can see green color. In same way, children, you can add other color also here, so as well it will be changed. If we add sugar to water, it will be sweet. You can see, children, I am adding some sugar. Mix it well. So, children, you will be finding it will be sweet. Kids, you can add other color as well, and you can add, instead of sugar, you can add salt also. So, my dear lovely kids, you also Do this activity in your home and enjoy. As you know, children, water keeps us healthy, so we should drink water every day. After that, children, you have to take out your medium size plain notebook. So I'm going to use here this sheet, but you have to draw these things in your plain notebook. So children, today we have learned uses of water. So we can use that water in very different ways. So we can use water in different ways. So my dear kids, here I'm going to draw some sources of water. Okay, so that is difficult to draw uses of water. So we are going to draw sources of water. So first I'm going to draw cloud. Curves. Draw like that, children. Curves. Curves, and this is a cloud, and small drops you can draw like this. Can you see, children? Like oval shapes. Okay, after that I'm going to draw well. So well is so easy. Curves you can draw, children. Upward curve and downward curve. Standing line. Here also standing line and sleeping line. Here you can draw sleeping line, and you can make designs like that with the help of standing lines. Can you see, children? Yes. Now here also standing line. You can see how I'm doing. And here sleeping line. So my dear kids, you have to draw 3 sources of water. How many? 3 you can draw. So I have drawn 2, the rain, cloud with rain, and well. So one more. Your favorite sources of water, you can draw it here, or you can anything you can draw here related by the water. So my dear kids, you have to color these pictures. So here you can fill black color or children blue color. And these are the drops, children. And in the well you can use your favorite colors, but I'm going to use here brown colors. You can make it color fill with your favorite crayon. So you can make it red, blue, black. You can use any color. So children, listen carefully once again. I have drawn 2 pictures. You have to draw one more picture here. Your favorite water sources or anything you can draw related by the water. But you have to draw in your medium plain notebook. So my dear kids, enjoy your topic. Keep enjoying and have a good day. Bye.